This song is starting to make me angry in a really positive way. That deep harmony right there, the way that that hits you. I feel it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Herrera here. I hope that you are all doing well. Let's get this ball back rolling again, and let's continue to get to know ALAMAT. I may have forgotten their names. I'm really sorry. Do you know what? I should just get sorry tattooed on my forehead, because I'm sorry for a lot of things. I'm also sorry for this pronunciation. This is the official music video for GAYUMA, and this phrase, I believe, means love potion or a charm used to lure somebody to love. I'm really looking forward to this. In my break, I have continued listening to ALAMAT, and I have really been loving the songs that you've recommended to me and that I've heard so far. Please, I'm so excited. What genre is this going to be? I have no idea. Oh my god, who are these people? Teneo. Mo. I honestly don't remember. Ah, to enchant. That's a better way of saying it. Oh, nice. Oh, yes. What a wonderful way to open that song up. I'm going to try and be as least irritating as I can be, and I will try not to pause so much. Famous last words. But Jo starting us off with that depth is so nice. I'm listening to this with really cheapy headphones, so I can't really hear the quality of the music, but I can feel that beat when I listen to this in high quality with earbuds in. It's gonna sound so good, and I'm gonna want to turn that right up. I honestly think that he's going to be my bias, you know. I just love everything about him. Alas. I know what Alas looks like in other music videos, but he looks different here. They've got a different vibe, haven't they? Ooh. For somebody like myself who feels intoxicated by music, like music is life for me. It's not just something that I do. It's not a hobby. I cannot live without music. For me, I honestly feel intoxicated by something like this. This sound is so damn good. And I can't believe that young men like this are giving me a song like that. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to underestimate their experience or their talent by saying that they're young, but it's surprising to me. They're really amazing. I just feel like I have only just tapped the surface with all of the talent in the Philippines, and I'm really excited to move forward with your recommendations for other groups and other vocalists, because I'm gonna love everyone, aren't I? Can you not just tell? I really love this chorus. RG, look at the way he's moving. That chorus just rolls off your tongue. I am gonna be singing this. I think my bias is going to be split between Thomas and Mo. Oh, just the visual of that. You're gonna what? They're all being enchanted, aren't they? Ooh. It's so interesting that not only is the sound of the music without any of the lyrics of the singing, it's got that intoxicating feeling to it, but also when the way that they're singing, they're kind of making you feel enchanted. Do you know what I mean? Am I just on another planet, or is anything that I'm saying making sense? It's just giving me that feel, like it's making me sway, making me move. Now, talking about effects on voices, I'm not generally a fan, and this is coming from somebody who is a die-hard fan of Post Malone, and that man has too many effects on his voice. Like, his core natural voice is so beautiful, but the character that he plays when he's Post Malone is so effect-driven. Like, he sounds like a sheep sometimes. It does irritate me, especially when they put that effect on a live microphone. You can tell it's fake and it's not real, and he doesn't need it. And some people then judge him based on that and think that he's actually not a very good vocalist, when, however, if you listen to him covering some of the country western stuff, he's so good. So I'm not always a fan of this. I think it works really well for the music. I know that they don't need it. If I think back to them singing Sa, oh my god, I'm setting a test again. Sa Panaginip Nalang. They do not need effects on those voices whatsoever. You agree, right? Mo, behave. Otherwise, I'm going to have to ask you to leave. That was impeccable. That is gold within gold. I absolutely love that. There was something about the rhythm of that that made it sound a little bit Arabic. Again, keeping on the theme of being enchanted. They're really confident about being sexy, aren't they? I've got to watch this perform live. They performed this on WISHBUS, didn't they? I'll try and add it onto the end of this. Oh yeah, Mo. That magic in the back. Their movements are really slick. They do move as one. Get out. Get out. Now I love that music video. That was so cool. I love it. I think every now and again you do need to remind people that you're idols and that you're going to be dancey and that you're going to have concepts, and it's not always going to be a full-on story. I really, really love that. I'm going to be listening to that non-stop. It's going to be stuck in my head. I'm going to be singing along to it very badly. But I really love that. The golden part of that song where I said that it kind of sounded Arabic a little bit. I love that. And that leading into Mo and the kind of layered vocals. It was like the core vocals of it, then a kind of an echo. And then we had Mo in the back with these gorgeous riffs. That was amazing. I feel like I don't even know what genre this song is, but this really suits them. I think that R&B suits them, and this really, really suits them as well. I love it. This is reasonably recent, isn't it? And if I'm right, they've got a current song out as well. Day and Night. Did I just make that up? Which I will definitely listen to as well. However, during that, as I just said, I believe that they perform this live on WISHBUS. If I'm able to, I will add it onto the end of this. Otherwise, I'll cut and I'll post that separately. I'm really excited to hear them sing this live, perhaps without a vocal effect. Let's see. Oh my god, look at J.O.
Wish.
Look at that hair. Nice and breathy and deep. Alas, love that makeup. They sound so young. I really love it. I adore the depth that J.O. is bringing to this. That was absolutely glorious. The way that they are all adding to that vocal sound, that core sound, is amazing. I was not expecting for them to perform it live like that. J.O. is killing this.
Wala sa aking isipan, di bali ko man ang tingin sa iba. Di ko pare maiwasan bawat hago mo ang kaiba. Dumadaloy na sa aking ulo hanggang pababa. Baby, don't trip enough, you got it, I can't get enough of that body.
Oh, he's really forcing his voice to go down there. I like it though. RJ? He's got a really nice voice singing live as well. This song is starting to make me angry in a really positive way. That deep harmony right there, the way that that hits you. I feel it. Is Tanea one of their main dancers? Oh, the pronunciation. Can I be really honest with you? I will never listen to the official track ever again. There is no need when there is a live performance that hits so hard like that. The way that they know each other's voices so well that they come in and out and harmonize like it's a piece of cake. That was really impressive. I think to date, I've not seen very much of them, but from the live stuff, I think I've seen like one live performance. This is the one to beat. They sound amazing. I think that Jo really stole my attention during this song. There's something about that depth. But saying that, I think RG, every time he came in, I was just so impressed with his live vocals. And then Taneo, I didn't really click that in the music video that was his part, that really intoxicated part. I didn't really click that it was him. And now I clicked, and now I'm going to be obsessed with it. I love them all. I think they are amazing. I am really loving being on this journey. Hopefully, I'm not being too irritating and talking too much. Tell me, and I will try my best to change and do this better so we can have fun together. I will try and watch their most latest music video with you very soon, and then it's up to you. Tell me about them. Should I go back and listen to their debut song with the 3 other members? What else should I do? Tell me. And if you have suggestions for any other P-pop groups, then please do tell me in the comments below as well. I really appreciate all of your comments. I read everything. I may not respond to everything, but I read everything. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun, and until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.